Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can turn off data saver on Android. So to start, you will need to launch your device's settings app, and from here open the mobile network settings or preferences. On my device it's hidden in the network and internet section and mobile data. Now find a toggle or a separate page for data saver and switch it off. You can also, if you're struggling to find the cellular or mobile data settings, or the data saver toggle in particular, just open your settings search and in here input the data saver query. This way you should have no issues with finding the data saver switch on or switch off toggle, which, as you can clearly see, does not work on my phone for some mysterious and unknown reason. And if I'll input just data query, it doesn't seem to pull it up either, once again for unknown reason to me. Anyway, on most devices the settings search will work. You can also open the control panel and look for a shortcut or for a control button for the mobile data here as well, or the data saver rather. As you can see, my control is present here, so I can switch it off by tapping at this button. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.